A lot of us burn wood in our wood stove or fireplace to heat our homes or to just create a cozy, relaxing setting. However, the way we store, dry, and burn our wood can make a difference. Did you know that burning wet firewood is not only a waste of energy and money, but it can also create harmful air pollution? And it can make you, your family, or your neighbors sick. To protect your family's health, your neighbor's health, and save energy, burn wood that's been properly dried. We're going to show you how to build a wood storage shed that will allow you to properly store and dry wood for a warmer fire with less smoke. It's simple to build, using mostly straight cuts, with no mitered corners or joints. The finished shed will hold about 1 cord of wood. Please visit our website and click on the Modular Woodshed Plans and Materials list. Printing out the construction diagram and materials list provides a good guide for constructing the shed. Here are some suggested tools that are helpful in getting the job done. You'll need the following lumber from the materials list. You can see that some of these pieces of lumber are already cut to length. Following the construction diagram, start building the shed by measuring out each type of lumber. You can measure lumber that will be used for the floor frame, floor joists, posts, floor slats, side and rear slats, and roof joists, and then make all of the cuts. First, assemble the floor frame. You can do this either on sawhorses or at the final ground position. The front and back of the frame use 2-inch by 6-inch by 8-foot lumber, and the sides use 2-inch by 4-inch by 45-inch lumber. Attach the sides to the front and back with 3-inch deck screws as shown. Once the floor frame is complete, add 5 2-inch by 4-inch by 4-foot floor joists as shown. Secure the floor joist to the 2-inch by 6-inch by 8-foot floor frame at the front and back of the frame with 2 3-inch deck screws on each end of the floor joist. Keep 3 of the 2-inch by 4-inch by 4-foot floor joists aside. We'll secure them after the front and back 4-foot by 4-foot posts are in place. Place the floor frame in position. You can place 2 4-foot by 4-foot posts or the deck blocks under the floor frame, lifting it up off the ground. This will allow the post to be secured, extending 3.5 inches below the floor frame. There are a total of 6 posts, 3 4-foot by 4-foot by 5-foot 6-inch posts on the back of the shed, and 3 4-foot by 4-foot by 6-foot posts on the front of the shed. You can temporarily secure each post using 3.5-inch screws to hold them in place. Add the 3 remaining 2-inch by 4-inch by 4-foot floor joists on each side of the posts. Secure the floor joist with 2 3-inch deck screws on each end of the floor joist. Then secure each post to the 2-inch by 6-inch by 8-foot floor frame at the front and back with 2 1/4-inch by 5-inch lag screws. Add the 5 1-inch by 4-inch by 8-foot floor slats to the frame using 2 1.5-inch deck screws to secure the slats to each floor joist. Next, add the 1-inch by 4-inch by 89-inch back slats and the 1-inch by 4-inch by 45-inch side slats. Secure the slats to each post with 2 1.5-inch deck screws. It's best to have the posts off the ground, sitting on either concrete deck blocks or 12-inch by 12-inch concrete pavers. This will keep the bottom of the post dry and allow for a better airflow, helping to dry the firewood. The roof rafters use 2-inch by 4-inch by 4-foot lumber. Attach 1 rafter to each side of the front and back posts. Use 2 3-inch deck screws on each post to secure the rafters. Next, position the 4-foot by 8-foot by 1/2-inch plywood on top of the roof joists. Secure the roof using 1.5-inch deck screws every 6 inches along each rafter. Following product instructions, apply the liquid roofing to the plywood roof and allow to dry. To extend the roof and provide even more weather protection, you can use roofing material of your choice. Building this simple wood storage shed allows your wood to dry properly. The estimated cost of materials is approximately $250, and it should take about 5 hours to build. To dry the wood properly, be sure to split your wood before stacking it, and allow space between the pieces of wood so air can circulate through the stack. Dry, seasoned wood will give you a hotter fire, less smoke, and you'll use less wood. For more information about EPA's BurnWise program, please visit our website.